Don't you just love it when I do a video about skincare? I was wondering why it was hurting to wear this, which I have to tell you, look at my outfit right now. It's really good. I mean, this is it right here. Oh yes, Adidas, work. Hey guys, what's up? It's Sarah, and today I have a video for you that has nothing to do with fall nor winter, but we're still gonna go for it because I'm going on vacation very soon. This is a look that I do every day while I'm on vacation when I still want to look good for all those pictures you're gonna take on the beach or out in the sun or like just hanging out. Like, you always gotta be prepared. Keeps my face looking a little bit more fresh even though I get like 3 hours of sleep a night. You would never know. So the first thing I do is do some primer. Again, I talked about this in my video about my like everyday makeup routine on why I use primer every day. And pretty much, if you didn't watch that video, you should. But if you didn't watch the video, it's basically because I have a really bad issue with product coming off on my nose. Next, normally would be foundation. Who has time to sit and blend out foundation for 5 hours? I don't. Like, let's just be real here. This is the, oh my god, I didn't even tell you what primer. Shit. Okay, the primer that I'm using is the Smashbox Photo Finish. Moving on, the BB Cream, the same exact one that I used in that other video. The reason that I use this is because it is darker on me, and I think that this BB Cream gives me that little bit of a healthy glow that I don't get. Like, do you see how that actually made me look a little bit tan without even trying? I do need concealer. My under eyes are a severe concern of mine, and it's one of the things that makes me look a little bit more tired. Plus, I gotta cover this guy up. Why he's here and who invited him to the party? I don't know. But I'm literally just gonna take 3 dots. I'm using a huge fluffy brush from Morphe. Shocking, right? I'm taking my Coty Airspun powder, the same stuff that I use. This little orange thing. Just set a really quick dust over the face. I'm taking my Kat Von D. Contour is a very important step, I think, because of the glowy, bronzed, awake look that it gives you. Did you like my description? I did. I liked it. 2 more steps, and then we're done. First step, mascara. This is an important step for me because I think it really does enhance your eyes, and I think it is something... Oh my gosh, I have 3 more steps, not 2. But I'm gonna use some mascara that I think is very natural. I'm not using mascara that's gonna be like super voluminous and super crazy. I am literally going to use the mascara that gives me, that's just gonna blacken my lashes without doing, ow, fuck. Now this is the point where most people would just be like, this is good, we're looking bronzed, but if you wanted to take it up 1 more notch, that's gonna take you just a minute or 2 to do. I'm gonna show you 2 more steps. First thing I'm going to add is highlight. Now, bronzed glow. We have the bronzed part, but we need the glow. So I'm gonna take this and literally just put it everywhere. Oh! Luna, the brand Luna. If you have not heard of them, please check them out. If you are out and you just want to look really glowy and everyone to look at you and be like, her highlight is popping. You guys, you're joking. I can't do anything right on this channel. I really can't. I swear. I mean, maybe I'm cursed. Do we see? Okay, bronzed goddess. Yes, I'm on vacation, and yes, I'm going to the beach. This is the one that is so extra that if you're not me, you're probably not gonna do, but I really like it because I like to look badass wherever I go. Lips. I have a million different ones. Depending on the night, sometimes I will go with like a super in-your-face lip, like a red. I love this red. This is the one I was wearing in my last video that I really liked. But I think today we might go with like a berry maybe? Oh, that's cute. I'm gonna use this berry lip. I like that. I actually like this berry with what we're doing today. I'm sorry. You can unsubscribe now. It's fine. That's good. It's not completely dried down, but it's better. And then I'm just gonna put some clear gloss. Okay, so that is all I have for you guys today. Super simple vacation look that I know I am probably really late on. I should have probably done this like a long time ago, you know, when people were still going on vacation. But this is kind of something that I would do every day while I'm on vacation. It takes me a little bit in the morning. It's a little bit of extra work than like my everyday look, and the lip is so unnecessary. But I mean, do you see why I would put the lip on? It just gives you a little bit of glam that you never knew you needed. Thank me later. Okay, I'm done, but this is the look for you guys today. I'm gonna ask the question again because I got a response or two on my last video, but I wanna ask it again because why not? I am going to Florida soon. As we know by this tutorial, this video, would you guys like to see a vlog? The way that I'm thinking of it is it's going to be something a little bit more laid back, and it's gonna be like one video that encompasses my whole trip. So would you like to see that, yes or no? Okay, I'm done. I'm not gonna talk anymore. Thank you for sitting here with me. Make sure to come back. I post every Wednesday and Sunday. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, all that good stuff. I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.